in terms of how our national politics has been going on. Succession battles are at the peak in ZANU-PF. Factional battles are at the peak in ZANU-PF. Harassment. Yeah? Matuma. No, it's okay. The journalists are coming. The journalists are I'm going to say what I have no time for that. I have no time for that. Go and make a clear. Do you know what's wrong with that? Do you know that who's out there to my diplomatic passports? Why are you disturbing my press? I know nothing about Mudzako. I don't know. Why? Why? Who are you? I'm asking you, who are you? Is the preferred successor. That was in February 2017. And because they know Kutinasi, they have to send this guy. Disrupt this place. So, no, that's okay. So, fellow Zimbabweans, as you can see for yourself, these guys have said, no, don't push me to the corner. Don't push me to the corner. Because we're too much. Don't allow to do that. I know nothing about it. I know that what too much to disrupt. But it will not work. That you have exposed your agenda. And Zimbabweans can read. No, that's okay. So this press has been disrupted. And, I'm going to let you journalists know how we shall proceed. But this one, they have managed successfully to disrupt it. So, but Zimbabweans can see because of panic. When was that? 2023. No, this is This is absolute nonsense. This is absolute nonsense. But all I can say is those who have sent this guy, this tide you can't stop. And this tide you can't stop. You tried it. Or 2023, 2025.